Bro, I hate with everything I have in my soul being a fucking fiction king. Like, this shit sucks, man. Why do people want to be fiction kings? Like, why do you want to identify as PTSD peppermint boy with daddy issues? The fuck? Like, this shit sucks. Especially if you just so get unlucky enough to get a character that fucking sucks, bro. Like, there's probably a big dick Randy fiction kin out there. Think about that for a second. There's a big dick Randy fiction kin out there. Like, I'm so sorry for you, man. I hate this shit as much as you do, dude. Like, if I chose this, I would have chosen way more cooler characters than fucking Icy Hot Bastard and fucking Soul the Gooner. Like, why can't I just be Crow? I want to be Crow. Let me be Crow. The fuck?